His spinal column should be operational, but it is in his chest ribs. Because any mistake in the spinal operation will disable you and paralyze you for life. So another, in athletic, do not change the goodness with plastic and artificial bones. That is not the area of operation. Because realignment therapy discover safer areas of operation, cheaper and less risky.
In your own knowledge, Brad, is there a therapy ever invented by means that cure all diseases?
Wala gyud na, Tita Merce. That is why there are many individuals who specialize, one for the heart, one for the kidney, one for the lungs. But in my case, all parts of the body is all in one.
Doon na ba doctors kalibutan who can cure all?
Doon na hinoon. Doon na, og daghang kaayo kini.
Para man ka ng imo, Brad Ephraim, tanghaga, doon na og daghang kaayo. Kisa man ang doktora.
Mo nang gitawag nato the doctor of everybody. That is